Hello everyone. So here I am inside a dashboard for Content Siphon. And as you can see, we have step 1, which is to select the source. We can enter our keywords and we can click Go. Let's say we wanted to brainstorm for what is trending. We could simply click Google Trends and click Go. Then we will get the results as to what is actually trending. We can see what is trending on various topic sources. We can also see what's trending for various countries as well. Once we see the trending sources that related to our niche, we could easily add the title to our post builder. We could also drag and drop the content if we needed to use it within our post. We can also search various sources, such as Google+. We have web hosts, blogs, popular websites such as Bloomberg, BuzzFeed, CNN, ESPN, Fox News, Google News, Medical News Today, National Geographic, TechCrunch, Huffington Post, The Washington Post, Flickr, Twitter, and YouTube. So we have all these sources that we are able to use to get information from. Now let's say we wanted to do a quick article on Trump. Seeing he's very popular in the news nowadays, we could simply click Search. And we'll get the results on our left for various content that we can use for our article. So if I wanted to use, for example, this image, we could make it a featured image here on the post builder. If we wanted to add the title, we click Add Title. It's automatically entered for our title, which we can easily modify the title to make it unique to our blog. We can save as a post or as a page. Below that, now we can publish it for a pending review. Also, we can do it immediately. We can allow pings, we can allow comments, we can enter tags as well, depending on what we want and how we want this article to be used. We can also drag and drop the info to the content builder. And then, here we go, we have an article ready to go. If we want, we can add the image to the editor as well, just the image only if we wanted. We could add all as well, and it will be added to the bottom of our post builder here. Also, if we wanted to see what's trending on YouTube, we could simply preview the video from within the app. And if we wanted, we could actually add this video as well to the editor. As you can see, the video is added to the editor as well. If we wanted, we could also set up for auto social. So we can post to the various social media networks such as Facebook. So once we have done our necessary article and we have created a necessary posting that we need, we can easily add the information as well. Add all this content to the builder. If I wanted, I could simply drag and drop to the post builder. If you should publish and save, then we have our article that's ready to go, as you can see. This is the article here, just posted. If we wanted to edit, we could simply edit from inside the plugin. Just enter the keyword once we find it, simply click, and it's automatically added back to the post builder. Where we can further modify this article with additional information that we might see fit as it relates to our content source. We also have help tips here that gives overall ideas as to the use of the plugin. We also have the tutorial videos inside the plugin as well. We also have the facts, frequently asked questions. We have the settings where you enter the various APIs for use with the plugin. Thank you for watching this video.